The city of streams and secrets. Arda stepped off the train in Eskişehir and took a deep breath. His cousin, Elif, rushed up to hug him. "Welcome," she cheered. "They call this the student city, but I call it the city of streams and secrets. We have so much to explore, Arda." "Where first?" Arda asked. Elif grinned. "We must start with the water." The Porsuk River runs right through the city center, making Eskişehir feel like Turkey's very own Venice. "Come on, let's catch a gondola." They drifted smoothly down the Porsuk. Bright bridges arched overhead, and cafes lined the banks. "It's so peaceful," Arda sighed, watching a gentle waterfall near a bridge. "It doesn't look like any city I've ever seen." "Next, history," Elif declared, leading them away from the river into a maze of winding lanes. "This is Odunpazarı. The name means wood market. Look at these houses. The wooden structures were painted vibrant colors like mustard, turquoise, and violet." Arda stopped outside a small museum showcasing creamy white stones. "What are those?" he wondered. "Ah, meerschaum," Elif explained. "Eskişehir is famous for it. It's a special porous clay used for carving beautiful sculptures and pipes. It's light and feels soft, almost like chalk." Suddenly, the landscape changed completely. They walked into a vast park where a towering, fantastical castle soared towards the sky, complete with spires and turrets that looked plucked straight from a fairy tale. "Welcome to Sazova Park," Elif announced. Arda ran ahead, mesmerized by the park's sheer size. They passed a massive pirate ship floating on a pond and peeked inside a science, art, and culture center. "Eskişehir is also called the City of Students because of its universities," Elif told him. "That energy makes everything new and exciting." That evening, they relaxed at a thermal fountain near a busy square. "Did you know Eskişehir sits on top of hot springs?" Elif asked. "People travel here just for the warm, healthy waters. It's a secret natural treasure, hidden beneath the modern streets." The square pulsed with life. Students laughed, musicians played, and the air smelled like grilled corn. Arda looked up at the moon hanging over the brightly lit city. Everything felt young and alive. "I thought it would just be another city," Arda confessed. "But it was full of history, water adventures, and secret magic." Elif smiled. "Eskişehir always surprises you. But don't worry, the city of streams and secrets will be waiting right here when you come back."